Alright guys, so today's video I'm gonna walk you through how I came up with this hip hop from arcade. Alright, so we're gonna walk through everything. I was there and sort of coming out with something, okay? And this particular beat, I want it to be more energetic. Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna walk through step by step what I started with, what came inside. Everything is from arcade. All right, if you haven't watched the video on how to use arcade, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So let's do this right after the intro. Alright, so the name is Godsai, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified. Alright, so guys, we are in a first studio, and with this particular beat, I started with this particular loop over here, and as you can see, everything is coming from arcade. Alright, I use arcade for everything over here. I use arcade. If you don't know how to use arcade, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Make sure you go to my channel and watch that. Okay, so the very first thing that I started with was this particular melody. Listen. Alright, so right after that, I added this particular snare over here. Alright, so I'm gonna combine it to that. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, so right from there, I added this kick, and it's simple. Make sure you are using good headset or monitor so that you can actually hear the effect well. So this was my intro. I like arranging my beat whilst I'm playing the whole beat. Okay, alright, so right from there I thought of adding this particular melody to it. Okay, so let's listen. Then right after that, I introduce hi-hat over here. Alright, so guys, right from there, I also added this particular melody. So this was the whole melody. It started with this one, then this one also came in. Let's listen to them. Alright, so over here I dropped the hi-hat. So listen. Then guys, I brought in the kick. This was the kick. Listen. Nothing crazy, simple. All right, so the kick came in over here. Now let's listen to everything. As you can see, this is the snare again. And over here, guys, I added base also coming from arcade. This one. I like consolidating my file so that I will save more CPUs. So guys, this was the entire arrangement. Let's listen to everything from scratch. Nothing crazy, simple, just 1 minute arrangement. I'm gonna continue in the next coming videos, but I want you to listen to this. Give me your opinion. Leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. What do you think about this beat? All right, what should be added? Let me know. Now, give the video a like as we listen to everything. Hear the bass. All right, guys, so I'm about to continue this beat. Let me know what you think about this particular beat. If you don't know how to make your cake punch harder, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Super simple.